Hey, my gators, Hey, my gators, welcome back to Single Mom versus the Fixer Upper on how to DIY and save a dime. I am a single mom in her 40s that started all over in a new town, in a new city after 18-year marriage, doing it all over. Don't have any reason why I moved here, no friends or family. And I'm sharing the journey of how I took this fixer-upper and made it my beautiful home. So today I want to share with you guys. I know y'all probably seen it. Some of y'all have, some of y'all haven't. I wasn't trying to get fancy or nothing. I need to show y'all this because I want to fix the rest of this. So I'm unboxing some things that I got in storage and trying to declutter. So I have my little junk drawer box and I found all these markers, right? These are furniture markers. Now, I moved this table out the way so I can have access to the sliding glass door and put my plants there, right, to open and get the light to the plants. So when I moved the table, not the table, the countertop that was here as my makeshift desk, I scratched. When I say scratched, my new vinyl floors really bad. Yeah, I scratched them right there. And guess what? I scratched them in another area, and you really cannot tell because it's a lot of dark lines, so it kind of worked out really well. Now I'm gonna go at an angle where you can see where the paint is, but right now you really can't tell. So it's those two scratches, and then there was another long deep scratch. So I went with that one first because I said, oh, I gotta share this with my gators. Okay, if you have LVP floors and they get scratched, because they do, I already had what I needed. These markers, I did a furniture scratch video in New York several years ago, and these things are still wet and they're still, I thought they were going to be dried out. So I ended up using this one here, which is the cherry. And y'all, I did it right here. Now you can't tell when I go like this because all those different dark spots that they have all over, but I'm gonna go at an angle so you can see the paint. You see the paint? Do y'all see that paint on there? Look at that. Let me show y'all how good this stuff is. I didn't even put a glove on. I just rubbed it with my finger. Excuse my little ashy hands. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I had to cut the light on and we about to zoom in. Okay? We're about to zoom in. Hold on. Do y'all see those scratches? Let me get gloves just in case. I don't know if this stuff is good or bad for my hands. Hold on. But I was so excited to share this because when you buy something new and that happens, I really wanted to cry. But I was like, I can't do anything about it. I have to move my move my furniture. Okay, so that's the scratch. And we're going to go with the brown, which is what it says, cherry. All right, let's get into it. So all I did, it's hard doing it the opposite way, is I went over it like that. Then I came back with my finger and rubbed it out. Could you? Did it disappear in the camera? Let me point to it and see. Hold on. Yes, it disappeared in the camera. Do y'all see that? Yes, like this is exactly where it was. And literally, it's nothing. Okay, so we're going to do the other one. Right over it. Because I used to say, what if I scratch it? How do you fix it? It's not hardwood. You can't sand it. And look. That's all I did with my hand. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. No more scratches. And I found one right here. Oh, that ain't a scratch. Look at me getting overzealous. Want to just put everything on the furniture polish thingy. And these are at Dollar Tree. These are at Dollar Tree. Okay. You have the light pack. I think the light pack comes with these. Wait, that. Like this. I think that's the light pack. Then this is the dark pack. And yeah, I think that's how it goes. Yeah, because I think I had a pack of these and lost them. And I still have the black one over there. But also, I'm going to test this black one. Oh, y'all can't even see what I'm doing. Lord, those are the packs. They come in a light and a dark pack. So, the black one comes, I believe, with the dark pack, and then that's with the light pack. It comes with oak, cherry, and maple, and then you got mahogany and walnut and black. And I'm going to test out the black. Let me see if somebody in the bathroom, because I had a screw in my light that turned rusty, and I wonder if this would help that. Let's see. Let's go check it out. It's kind of rusty. I'm going to try this and see if this gonna unrust it. You see me? And all that spot around it. Let's see, I'm gonna try it. Oh my, come on, camera. Oh my gosh, it's even getting the paint spots that got on my light. Look at this. Y'all see? Oh, look. Look. Okay. Oops. Got on the wall a little bit. But anyways, y'all, look. The way this angle is, it's hard for me to get back there, but I figure if I move my mirrors, I can get back there and paint it, make it look crisp. I'll do that in the future. But for now, them rusty screws are gone. Yes, God. I'm excited. So if this was helpful to you, talk to me in the comments because I talked back. And yeah, let me get this video out to you. This black, oh, and I got another one. Thank God, it's another one in this box. And I got a lot of black stuff, so when something get nicked or paint get on it and I can't get off and I don't want to be scratching it up, I have, hold on. Anywho, I have the black, so we ain't gonna. And then I found this defogger. This is supposed to be for windows and eyeglasses. So I'm gonna put this on another video. I'll be back with that. But yeah, all right, let me get off of here. I'm excited. Yeah. If you're new to the family, join the family by hitting that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. That's how you join the family, when you hit the subscribe button. And with that being said, like I said, talk to me in the comments. I talk back later, gators. Another way to save some coins and fix your things and prevent things and save you some worry and some stress. Cheap. Dollar Tree fine. Go get it. Later, y'all.